This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Acura TSX. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, an inline four-cylinder engine, and all-new tires. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.